What lights you up?
Mm. What lights me up? Well, there are a range of things, from the smallest to the biggest. They're little acts, like I said. There's sometimes people are so kind, like you're driving and someone gives you space, that lights you up, or there are moments where you're short of cash in a shop and the fellow says, okay, it doesn't matter, a few pennies, you don't have to go
Yeah.
all the way home to get.
Uh,
And then, of course, there are bigger things like reading a beautiful book or something, really a treasure.
mm,
Like when I read the Shahjo Risalo, I thought that was a stunning book. I was
mm,
really, my soul was lit up.
mm,
Or when I discovered Waris Shah's Hi Ranja,
mhm,
or when I read all the revealed books. I read the Bible, I read the Hebrew Bible, the Torah,
mm, mm,
I read the contemporary Bible, the New Testament, then I read the Holy Quran
mm,
many times, 55 times.
mm.
I read the Hadith,
Mashallah.
I
Mm,
read the biographies of the prophets, Hazrat Ibrahim, Noah, Ibrahim, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I read the biographies of the Khalifas. Each one had, although they've passed in time, but their effort, although so hard, they had such difficult lives, and sometimes they had very little in terms
mm,
of what they owned.
mm.
Unlike us today, we live in a consumerist world,
Yeah.
and yet their struggle was so focused. They were so focused on their work, on contributing. They were truly global citizens in a
True.
way that, when Jesus passed away, for example, I was thinking about his life or his mother.
Mm,
They were such special people, and Jesus was only in his 30s. Or take the example of Buddha when he left everything and went away. But again, he came back with a lot of wisdom.
yeah.
Or take the life of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, where Prophet Muhammad, where he went up to Ghar Hira, and for many years and months, he got revelation, and he
Mm,
was strengthened by divine thoughts and
mm,
by divine ideas and by words and phrases that were so moving. And although those people have passed away, but their vision and their life can connect with us even today, and that can light up your soul in and out. And then you become no longer yourself, but you overcome your ego, which is tiny, and you become part of the bigger vision. So your little self becomes part of another star, along with those beautiful, that beautiful galaxy that is the universe.
Thank you so much for all these amazing replies, answers, thoughts, and for your really precious time. And I really want to acknowledge your presence here. And I really had such a good conversation that I didn't even realize how long it has been. And I was not pointing out the time so that Dr. Hoti wouldn't know, as if she doesn't know how to read time. But thank you so much. I will end it here. And I just,
It's been a pleasure to hear you and to engage with you, to interact with you. And I look forward to keeping in touch,
inshallah,
to be
yes,
friends for a long, long, long time.
inshallah. Thank you. Thank you
So
so
much.
much.